This is the look we're going to be creating today. First, starting out by priming my eyes with the Urban Decay Anti-Aging Eyeshadow Primer. Then with the ColourPop Precious Metals palette, I'm dipping into the shade Own It with a Sigma E45 Max Small Tapered Blending Brush. I do have an affiliate code with Sigma, Ashley Kayla, for 10% off if you want to check out the brushes. Just applying the shade into the crease and outer corner, blending out any harsh edges. With a Morphe V200 brush, I'm applying that same shade to the lower lash line, and then adding depth with the shade High Value with a Sigma E45 Small Tapered Blending Brush. I'm applying this a little bit lower than the Own It shade and then slowly blending it upwards and outwards. I'm also going back in with the Sigma E45 Max Blending Brush to further help blend everything out. With the Morphe V200 brush again, I'm applying the shade Special all over the lid and then blending that out to add a little bit of sparkle, feathering out the edges, pulling it up above the crease a little bit. One more time with the V200 brush, I'm dipping into the shade Lustrous and applying that to the inner corner and then feathering it inwards. With the Hard Candy Stroke of Gorgeous liner in the shade Like Royalty, I'm drawing on a little half wing and inner corner wing, following the upward slope of my lash line and then pulling it inwards, and then filling in the shape. Once I've completed my wing, I'm cleaning it up a little bit with a pointed cotton swab and a little bit of micellar water. I'm next curling my lashes and applying a light coat of mascara, and then gluing on some falsies. I used the Velour Minimalist lashes that I trimmed down a little bit and glued to the underside of my lashes. And that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. I have everything linked down below. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my next post.